Okay, so this is a data set on NEO Object 2018 WU. So the first thing I wanted to do was take a look at the images, make sure that they're ready to be processed. And as you can see, they look fine. There's really nothing, wrong that I can tell. So the next thing I did was try to align the images, and Registrar came up with an error message, and it said script fails validation. And so this is the first time I've ever had that happen, and what I did to fix it was I actually went ahead and normalized the images, and then I aligned them. So go ahead and normalize, and I'm not sure why that fixed the problem, but Registrar did not seem to want to process them in their initial form. So I've normalized them first in this case. Again, I usually pretty much always align first and then normalize, but anyway, this is what I had to do. So as you can see, Registrar is now willing to process the images, and so I'll go ahead and let it do that. Okay, so it's finishing up the alignment routine, and it's saving each image to the alignment directory. So the next step after alignment then, and since I've already normalized them, is to perform the plate solving. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'll navigate to the directory where it stored the aligned images and perform plate solving. So this has a plate scale of about 1.95 arcseconds per pixel, so I went ahead and put in upper and lower bound, and as you can see, it's starting the plate solve process, so I'm going to go ahead and let it do that. Okay, so the plate solving has finished, and so I'm going to go ahead and run the synthetic tracker, and as you can see, I've star subtraction, this looks to be a decent value, so 296 is what I'm going to use. So that masks out most of the stars. Okay, so I went ahead and set a sensitivity threshold of 20. And you can go ahead and set these parameters up. So this is a data set where the motion of the object is actually already known. So I went ahead and populated these parameters as follows. With the known speed and position. So click OK, and it's off to go ahead and process the data. Okay, so that took 30 seconds, and as you can see, we have one object, and it shows up in the image viewer very faintly, but there is the object nevertheless. And yeah, if I go ahead and track the position, you should be able to see it. So we've got lots of exposures here to work with, so it's not too terribly difficult to see. All right, so as always, we can certainly stack these images if we wanted to do so. So that gives us a nice object right there. So, all right, well, Tycho found the object, no issues, and of course the rest of the process is then taking measurements. So, all right, thanks for watching.